everybody, and welcome back once again into English Studio. I'm Maryamkh.englishstudio, your teacher, and here is English Studio where you can improve your English knowledge in a simple and practical way. So, in today's lesson, I have some questions. What are you doing for your holiday? Do you have any plans for your weekend or your holiday? Maybe you're going to travel, or maybe you're going to study, or maybe you're going to sleep all day. So today I'm going to teach you one of the most useful English grammar points, be going to. So I ask you to watch the rest of the video and see what happened between my friends and I. Hello Mary, what are you doing this weekend? Hi Sarah, I don't have any plans yet. What about you? I'm thinking about going to Spain for the holiday. That sounds amazing. Yeah, why don't we go together? I'd love to. Let's do it. Let's share it with Anna. Maybe she wants to join us. Wait. Hi Anna, how are you? Yeah, we're going to go to Spain for the holiday. Do you want to join us?
Oh, thank you. That sounds great. But I can't.
Why not?
I'm going to stay with my family and we are going to spend some time together. It's the only chance I have to be with them.
No problem. Maybe next time. Yeah, have a good holiday. Pass my greeting to your family. Bye-bye. Oh, did you notice something? Please see the rest of the video. Okay everybody, welcome back once again into English Studio. Let us start the lesson and see the rest of the video. So based on our conversation in the beginning of the video, we have heard these sentences. I am going to go to Spain. We are going to spend time together. And I am going to stay with my family. So I ask you to think about these sentences and answer my questions with yes or no. Number 1. Am I in Spain now? Of course not. Is this my plan for the future? Yes. Am I talking about the past? Of course not. And am I talking about now, this moment? No. And am I talking about the future? Yes, yes, yes. So, we use be going to for future plans and intentions. Let's see how we could make sentences with be going to in positive tone. First of all, we always start our sentence with a subject as always. Subject and then be and then going to and then verb. So please look at this beautiful table, and as you can see, based on the subject, our to be verb will be changed. And if you look carefully, only the verb be changes and going to and the main verb stay the same. For example, I am going to study, you are going to study, and the rest of the table. So let's see in positive tone how we could make sentence. We just add not after be, and as you can see in the table, we have subject, to be verb, and then not, and then going to and study. I am not going to study, he is not going to come, they are not going to travel. And now we could make it more shorter or make contraction like I'm not going to, he's not, or she isn't, they aren't, or they're not. So let's see how we could make question form. In question form, as always, we could make a replacement with subject and be. And as you can see, we bring be at the beginning of the sentence, and then subject, and then going to, and then where. For example, are you going to travel? Is she going to cook? And are they going to play? So in answer, we could say, are you going to travel? We could say, yes, I am. Or, no, I'm not. We could say short answer. Is she going to cook? Yes, she is. Or, no, she's not. Or, no, she isn't. Are they going to play? Yes, they are. Or, no, they aren't. Okay, everybody. In the next slide, let's see some common mistakes that students make here. Sorry. Look at these examples. I'm going to travel. I'm going to travel. What do you think? Where is the mistakes here? Yes, I'm going to travel is not the correct form of be going to and then where. So it's not correct, and I'm going to travel is the correct form of this grammar. Look at the next example. She going to study, or she's going to study. Of course, yes, you are right. She's going to study isn't correct answer. And she's going to study is the correct form of this style grammar. So let's see how we could pronounce this style. In writing and speaking, there is something different. In careful English, we say going to, such as I'm going to study. But in everyday spoken English, native speakers often say, I'm gonna study. For example, in formal, we could say, she's going to travel. And in spoken, we could say, she's gonna travel. We're going to live early in writing or in formal language. And in informal language or spoken every day, we could say, we're gonna leave early. So be careful about this style. If you are using I'm gonna study, don't forget to say the correct form I'm gonna study and never use to after gonna. Many students make these mistakes here and say, I'm gonna to study, which is wrong answer, which is wrong conversation. You should say, I'm gonna study. So don't put or use to in this style. Now is your turn, everybody. I have a challenge for you. Please complete these sentences and fill the gaps with the correct form of to be verb. First of all, look at the sentence and the subject, and based on the subject, write the correct form of to be verb. For example, in number 1, for I, we have to use I am going to watch TV. Number 2, she always comes with is. She is going to cook dinner. And the last one, they are going to travel. Good job, everybody, and thank you so much for your participation to answer this part. And the last challenge, everybody, please answer these questions. What are you going to do this weekend? Please think about your answer and answer these questions with be going to start sentence in positive and negative tone, and leave your answer in the comments. And if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy English lessons. And tell me in the comments, what are you going to do this weekend? See you soon, everybody. And bye-bye. Take care of yourself.